Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will answer the question: can you remove the antennas from ASUS TUF-AX4200? Let's begin. And the answer is very simple. Unfortunately, you cannot, no matter how we'll actually move our router. But you'll notice that the antennas are screwed over. You cannot unscrew it by rotating it sideways. You cannot just forcefully reject them. And there is unfortunately no known way from me to safely remove them from their current spot. So yeah, just be careful when using them, careful while moving them, because it's still plastic after all, and you should be good to go. But anyway, that's all for the video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.